Connect the Ethernet cable to the ESP Plus control board. Connect the Ethernet cable to an open port on the network switch or router. Next, we will use the controller display to enable the DHCP set point. Hold the back button for 3 seconds to access the set point menu. Use the up and down arrows to find the DHC set point. Press and release Enter to display the current setting. Use the up and down arrows to find Enable, ENA. Press and hold the Enter button for 3 seconds to confirm the setting and enable DHCP. Press the back button a few times to return to the default display. You will need to find and record the IP address for the controller. When you get to IP1, press Enter. Those 3 digits are the first digits of your IP address. Press Enter. Press arrow down to get to IP2. Press Enter and you'll see the second group of 3 digits. Press Enter. Repeat for IP3 and IP4. You now have the IP address for your ESP Plus controller. On a computer connected to the same network as the ESP Plus controller, open any browser, either wired or wireless. Enter the controller IP address into the address bar of the browser and press Enter. The controller home page should now be displayed. If the controller web page does not load, additional setup support or IT support may be required. If you want to make any changes to passwords, unit settings, etc., you must first log into the dashboard. Enter the username and password for this controller. For more information and support materials, visit our ESP support page on the KeepRite website at k-rp.com/ESP.